Well, hi everybody. Today the markets are looking very interesting. In terms of what I saw yesterday, that traders actually they had booked profits in positions which were actually in anticipation of a move towards 10,100, and then also before that positions around 9,950. We are at present in a range bound market, but now because the TCS result they have just passed, and also Reliance Industry result is now almost on Friday after market. So for these two events, traders actually made bets in terms of a big move, 200 points on either side. So I'm expecting that Nifty perhaps is actually going to move either on a upside towards 10,300, or is going to come back to 9,900 levels. Because ideally, Bank Nifty basically is moving in the range, is not actually showing any major signs of strength. But in terms of sectors like FMCG, Reliance Industries, stocks like HUL, Dabur, Britannia from the FMCG pack. Then again, I just talked about Reliance Industries. Then also metal stocks, those actually are looking quite good. Stocks from the IT pack also have been doing quite good. So I would think that perhaps because those are heavyweights, they actually are making good moves. Should be interesting if we are able to break the resistance of 10,130 in the morning trade. Once we break that, we cross that, then I think we are good. We are good to actually move towards 10,300. So that's Nifty, I think. Now, I told basically in the last few sessions, the Nifty IT basically is the flavor of the trade, and we saw that Nifty IT actually gained by a good amount. So in terms of IT, again, that's looking quite good. Now, Reliance Industries basically result is there. Expectations of a good result. So again, I think the stock should be moving towards 900 primarily. I'm just talking about ahead of result. I'm not talking about any sort of investment pick here. I'm just talking about how the day is progressing. So in that respect, I think it's looking quite great. DMART again basically has been moving strength to strength, good sort of accumulation. Ahead of the board meeting, I think DMART should also outperform. Ahead of results, I think M6 should also outperform. Some sort of good sort of build up being seen there also. Sorry. Now I like the way metal prices actually are doing. So I think Vedanta, Hindalco, those stocks should continue to outperform, continue to see good accumulation. So perhaps those stocks also actually you should be keeping a very close watch. Now, in addition to that, basically what I would be thinking is that today I think we should take a limited view. We should basically see how the large caps are doing, and perhaps one of the large cap would be Bharti Airtel. I think the stock should do really well for itself because Tata deal is an out and out basically win for Bharti Airtel. Some upgrades have also come, but broadly just looking at fundamentally, because I track telecom very closely, I think this is very good deal for Bharti Airtel. You can argue about subscriber, but you can definitely say that yes, it's a deal where Bharti is not spending much but is gaining more. So for share price is positive, the stock should react positively. And also, as you know, because of Bharti Infratel potential monetization stake, I think Bharti Airtel basically is at present in the right space. So that is one stock you should keep a close eye today with a positive bias. Apart from that, there would be a host of mid caps. I would be writing about them, so just keep tracking that. But in terms of trade setup, this is the one you should basically be watching out in terms of levels. Bank Nifty 24,500 next resistance, and then in terms of Nifty, as I told, 10,130, and after that 10,300, 320. So those are the levels. Keep me posted. If you have any queries, let me know. Have a good day. Have a good profitable day.